Hello all, welcome to the day 18 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A builder of residential projects has a vacant square land of 21 meters. He wants to make a temple in the shape of a semicircle and a park in the shape of two quadrants of a circle as shown in the figure. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. The side of the square is 21 meters. The radius of the temple area is 21 by 2 meters and the radius of one quadrant is again half of this 21, which is 21 by 2. Question 1. Find the area of the square. So area of the square is side into side 21 into 21, which is 441 meter square. Question 2. What is the area of the two quadrants? Area of two quadrants is equal to 2 times area of one quadrant, that is 2 into 1 by 4 pi r square, which is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Taking pi as 22 by 7, this can be simplified to get 693 upon 4, which is 173.25 meter square. Question 3. Find the area of the semicircular temple. So area of temple region is half times pi r square, half times again taking 22 by 7 for pi, and radius is 21 by 2. We get 693 by 4, which is 173.25. Question 4. Find the area of the tiled region. To get the tiled region, we have to subtract the temple and the park area from the square's area. Area of the tiled region is area of square minus the sum of temple and two quadrants, that is 441 minus 173.25 plus 173.25, which gives us 94.5 meters square. Question 5. Find the area of the shaded region, that is the temple plus the two quadrants. Area of the shaded region is the temple area plus two quadrants, which is 173.25 plus 173.25, that is 346.50 meter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.